Hello, buddies. Thank you for coming to Top Highness Pay IT Live Sale. So watch the string and let me tell you more about it. And I'm Sitara, your IT supporter and PMP certification holder. Thank you for joining me today. So today, in today's live streaming, we will have many huge surprise for all of our friends. So share the broadcast and let your friends and relatives know about this great opportunity in today's live sale. And don't forget to like and follow our social media like Facebook and YouTube for more updates. So at the beginning, I will show you some review from our students who review for us. Please hold on. Let me show you about it. Okay, so please look at this page. It's all from our SPOTO students who write their reviews for us, we can see the first is wow, great support means our team is very support for his exam right. And the second man right there, I had a good experience. I had a good experience. There were Ravi Center means our tutor maybe will help our students pass their exam and their exam give us 5-star review. So it's so great. And we can see next one review is excellent, thanks, and great dumps. Since this guy used our dumps to study his exam and prepare his exam, and finally he passed his exam. So okay, comes to our live sale. Let's have a look. So today, please look at our topic is PMP Cloud and Cybersecurity Live Sale. So today our topic is PMP and AWS and Microsoft and ISACA and more exam study materials. So in other words, if you have any needs about the PMP and AWS and Microsoft and ISACA and more exam study materials, you all can get the surprise price in today's live sale. And all of these spotter provide 100% real exam question and answers for you to get rated 100% pass. So in so I want to share you some. I would like to know which IT certification you want to get in coming next new months. Please comment and share your dream IT certifications in our comment zone. Let me know more about you guys. Okay, let me see. Okay, so let's go to start. There is our live rate cost time 9 in our live sale. So today we can see the first so today the first we can see the first part is our introduction and the second part is our top paying IT search and the third part is our why get certified in project management and cloud cybersecurity and the fourth part is how to get IT certified. Okay, so let's come to the first part. We can see this is our SPOTO overview and I will introduce you about our SPOTO and you can see SPOTO founded in 2003 and now in this year is 222, right? So actually SPOTO have 19 years and during the IT certification and we provide this short pass material and practice test, right? So over the past 19 years, SPOTO has helped 100 million candidates achieve their goals and get their PMP certifications and for forested 100 2,200 plus CCIEs in the world. It's so great, right? And we can see the right flags means we have students pass their exam and the exam center is more right, is more countries and regions. I can't believe my eyes. So how can be too many students and countries SPOTO did. And come to the next page, we can know SPOTO is a leading IT online learning platform connecting thousands of students to the skills they need to succeed. And we can see we have launched over 100 and 15 two countries and regions, and over 300 plus products from, we can see, from many AWS and collaborating networking, and we also can see there 2,200 plus CCI holders are all from SPOTO. Wow, it's an unbelievable numbers, I think, and we can see we have millions of learners who studies in SPOTO, and we provided them many useful materials. And come to this next page, we can see we have so experienced and expert teams. We can see our instructors are as personality about what they do as who they do it for, and are committed to your success. They are the most experienced professionals in the IT industry and have spent decades carefully creating our learning material with your training journey in mind. And we can see SPOTO has been expanding the product line from Cisco to AWS and from PMI to HIL, from ISC to ISACE, and covering networking, project management, and cybersecurity and cloud. So many products we have. So if you have any needs during the IT certification like CISCO and ISACA and CAPTIA, just please remember to contact SPOTO, and you will have your, we have all you want in SPOTO. Whatever you want the materials, we will send you as soon as possible. So please trust SPOTO, and if you have any friends or relatives who need the IT certification, just share today's broadcast to them and join us today. We'll give the most surprise in today's live sale. Yes. So we can see there's highly recommended in reviews from our candidates revealed to us. We can see that they write us as a very professional and had my doubts about SPOTO, but took the test after receiving dumped question for the first time. Passed. Everyone should use it. Yes, I think it's a high recommended from this one. And the next is excellent study materials and resources. So much reviews and so high recommended in reviews. I think it's a owner. Yes, it's an owner, it's both owner, but both of yours confund us too. And let's to the second part, top top paying IT search. We can see their time-based IT search for high-paying jobs in 2022. We can see the number one is Google Certified Professional Cloud Architect, and followed by AWS Certified Solutions Architect, and as CISM and CRISC, and we can see all of these have a common is that they all have high paid, have a high salary, right? Is so has high salary. So we are conclusion that best IT certifications in 2022, maybe I think the three parts are more popular in 2022, and the first part is project management, PMP, and ITIL, and the second part is cloud computing, and with including AWS, Google, and Microsoft, and the third part is cybersecurity like CISM and CISM and the CRISC and the CISSP. So if you are still confusing how to improve your high salary, just get the IT certification, and then you will get a new job and also have a high salary too. Okay, so try AWS SAA-C02 test together and pay attention. Please pay attention to this. If you want to get your IT certification, please try to follow this. Please try to do this test together with me because all this test we give you and we show you together in today is all from the real exam. And the most important, if you all answer the 5 questions right, then maybe you can get the today's surprise in here. You can get the actual bonus. Maybe you can get the PMP or our other jumps and the surprise prize. So gifts for winners who answer 5 questions correctly. So are you ready to answer the question with me together now? Okay, so I will give you 13 seconds to make a preparation. 13 seconds, please. Please hurry if you want to take your, if you want to get your IT certification. Okay, so time's out. Are you ready? So let's do the test together. Okay, so we can see the first question is, we can see the images need to be processed to elevate the image. So what should a solution advocate recommended? Okay, so I will show you the music, and when the music is out, the time is out. So let's do the test together, and please choose A, B, C, D for choice to write down your choice on our comment Zoom, and I will show you the right answer. Excuse me, let me leave a second. Okay, time's out. Let's review the answer now. Okay, the correct answer is A. Did you write? Did you choose the right answer in here? And if you have any doubts about today's answer, maybe you can write down your doubt in our comment zone, and our admin will send you the reason and try to help you understand the question as well. Okay, so let's go to the next answer, the question 2. So question 2, we can see, oh my god, it's a long question, right? So which solutions meets these requirements? We can see they all still have A, B, C, D, 4 choice in here. So please think about it, and I will still show the music for you guys. And the time's out means you need to write down your answer in our comment soon now. Okay, let's do it now. Time's out. Time's quickly. Please write down your answer as soon as possible. Let me show your answer in our comment Zoom. Okay, time's out. Time's out. The correct answer is B. Yes, I see many of you typed the answer, maybe have different opinions of this answer. It's okay, I think it's okay, because maybe we are not familiar with the question from the SAA-C02 test quiz, right? It's okay. So just write down your answer and write down your doubt from this question, then our enemy will help you to save it and try to figure it as soon as possible, right? Okay, so still have 3 questions. Let's do it quickly. Quickly, let's go. So question 3, we can see, please. I will show you the music, and there's a time. Go. try to think about it. What should be done to minimize the system through output impact of the snow? Snow really? Endpoint. A, B, C, D. Please choose you think the right answer on the comment zone. Let's go, let's do it. Go for it, please. Okay, time's out. Let's show the right answer. The correct answer this question is B. Yes, the correct answer is B. Did you choose right? And if you did right, maybe I think you really good job in here. And we still have 2 questions. Let's come on to do it as soon as possible. Let's go. Okay, so question 4, we can see it still have five choices in this question. So please think about it and try to read this question as soon as possible. Let's go. Time's out. Time quickly. How time flies. Yes, the time is out. Let's show the correct answer in here. Let's go. So this one, the correct answer is have 2 answers in here. The correct answer is B and E. Did you answer it right? Did you answer it right? And if you have any doubts about today's answer, you can write down your doubt to the comment zone and our admin will help you to save it. Okay, we still have the 1 question for today, and if you already answer the 4 questions right, you still have 1 question. When you get the 1 question right, then you can get today's extra bonus for you. So please pay attention and go for it. Let's go. The last question is which solutions meets these requirements? A, B, C, D. 4 choice in this question, and please choose which one you think is right in our comment zone. Then we will help you to check your answer in here. Okay, time's out. Let's show the correct answer for you guys. This question, the correct answer is B. Yes, correct report in cost to explore and download the report. Okay, so the question, the test is ending. So if you have any doubt about this question, you can comment or contact our admin to get the result. And if you still want to get the AWS certification, please pay attention and try to understand today's 5 question, because this 5 question is real question from the real exam. I think it's much useful for you guys to try to think out what is the result and how to do it, how to save it question. Okay, so let's go to the next part. PMP certification. So what is PMP? I think it's the project management professional is the world's leading project management certification and including predictive, agile, and care-based approaches, and the PMP proves project leadership, experience, and expertise in any way of working. So do you know what is PMP, and do you have any ideas to get your PMP certification? Let's go for it and try to know more about it. So let's go. We can see why we need to get PMP certification, because the reason one we can say is huge demand for the project professional, right? We can see this picture. We can see from 2019 to 2013, their project management oriented employees correctly in projectized industry across the world is increasing the demand is increasing year by year. You can see it's from 90 million to 102 million. I think it's a many demand for PMP certification. And as in the two picture, we can see is 2.3 million annual job openings for PMP certification. So why you can't take your PMP certification if there are more jobs opportunities for you guys and prepares for you guys just when you got your PMP certification, just to go for it. I think it's better for you guys to lived in a high salary, right? And the reason we can see PMP holder earning power, we can see the broader protection and the sustainable benefits. I think you can see almost all countries surveyed, the median salary for project professional with a PMP is 25% higher than those without PMP certification. In other words, it means once you get your PMP certification, maybe you can get the high salary 25% than those who without PMP certification. I think it's a large numbers and a larger salaries in here. Why don't you get your PMP certification? And there are three difficulty points to get certification. Maybe yes, we all have know because we all know the PMP certification or have many advantages in here, but I don't have ideas to start and I don't have ideas how to study and where I can start study, and maybe I'm so busy with my work. I don't know how to can get the materials, get the good materials, and I know it's hard to pass PMP. So how to prepare? So today, if you have the all questions to get your PMP certification, don't worry and no worries because SPOTO will help you save all difficulty points in here. So let's go to the next page. We can see how much time do I need to prepare for my PMP exam? Do you have any ideas? And or anybody can prepare to your PMP exam? Yes, I see. Maybe somebody can prepare the PMP exam must have over 3 months, right? It's a long period because during the 3 months, maybe you will trying to find busy with work, and maybe you will have some other things to trouble you and you don't have enough time to study. But today in our lifestyle and in SPOTO, you just need 14 days to 1 month. Then you can get your PMP certification. It sounds great, yes. It means you can use 1 month, then you can get your PMP certification. Then once you get your PMP certification, you can get your high salary, and then once you get your high salary means your life will be better and your future will be better. Yes, so sounds is great. So if you have any ideas to get PMP certification and want to change your life situation now, maybe I think you can try. Maybe I think you can go for the PMP certification and try to change your life now, change your future now. Okay, so maybe I think we can go to the next page. You can see 3 steps to become PMP. The step 1 is come for your eligible, and step 2 is apply to take your exam. Maybe step 2 need to use 5 days to apply, and step 3 is book and take PMP exam. Okay, so we pay attention to the step 1, come for your eligible. So how to come for your eligible? We can see there are four steps in here. The first is you need a 4-year degree, and the second is 36 months leading projects, and the third is you need to have 35 hours of project management education or training or CAPM certification. So if you miss the 3 questions in here, the 3 requirements in here, maybe you can take the step 2, apply to take your exam. Then comes to step 3, book and take your PMP exam. So how to get certified with SPOTO? We prepared the 4 choice for you guys. The step 1 is PMP training, and we still have application service, and then we provide PMP practice test, and the fourth, we have exam practice service. So maybe somebody will doubt this PMP training and application service and practice test. We all know, but what is exam practice service? Okay, so practice service, what it means? It means you don't need to make preparation for your PMP exam because our tutor will help you to pass your exam. You just need to sit in front of your PC and pretend then I am doing the exam, I take the exam, and our tutor will help you finish your exam and help you get your certification. It sounds great. So if you don't have time, if you don't have enough time, or maybe you are so makes the PMP exam is so difficult for you, you can choose our exam practice service. It's better for you guys. It's better for people who are not have time and maybe you think it's too difficult for you to study. So why SPOTO training course? Because why choose SPOTO? I think because you can see they're recommended by top YouTube influencers. We can see they have many fines, right? So they recommended our PMP training course, and we have the content. We have to see we have high pass rate, and we are well designed the course with 35 PDU, and in SPOTO you will have flexible learning times in here. You can try to because when we set your video, you can use the video to study and to log in your account from 24/7 access and you need. It means you can study your course at any time and anywhere. Okay, so let's come to the next page. We can see is our tutor who are so experienced in PMP certification. So you choose photo means you can have the chance to study from the tutor in here. It's so great. And we prepare the 3 package for you guys, and we can choose and we can take it one by one. The first is PMP training basic package. It's including learn from experienced PMP certified trainers and get access to digital materials from PMI and includes one mock test online. So today's price I think is most price for you guys because today you only need $29.99 in here. Wow, it means you just need to $13 in here. Then you can get the training basic package. And the second package we can see is our training pro package. And the training pro package including learn from experienced PMP certified trainers and earns 35 contact hours by completing the program and includes one mock test online. And today's the pro package in SPOTO in today's live sale, you just need to use $59.99 only with 35 PDU. So it means if you don't have your 35 PDU, you can choose pro package in today's SPOTO live sale. And the next is our training full package. Training full package today including 1-to-1 PMP application service and including 35 PDUs and certified tutor with rich PMP experience. So today's I think is a surprise. It's a surprise price for you guys, and it's also the lowest price for you guys. It's just $200 in today. If you buy in year, maybe you need to spend $500. So don't miss today's opportunity and don't miss today's live sale. Just choose today if you want to get the full package and get your PMP certification. Yes. Okay, so let's go to the next part. We can see how to get certified with SPOTO. As the thing I said, if you choose SPOTO, we have the 4 choice to help you to preparation. The first is the SPOTO PMP training, and the second is application service, and the third is PMP practice test. And the fourth is exam proxy service. And what is proxy service? Proxy service, it means you don't need to preparation for your exam because our tutor will help you to pass your exam. You just need to sit in front of your PC, then tutor will help you pass your exam. So PMP training and PMP service and practice test all need you to studying by yourself, then take your exam online by yourself. Okay, so let's go to the next page. We can see why choose SPOTO. Today I will give you 3 reasons to choose SPOTO. The first is we have 100% pass-rated question and answers. We will refreshing and validate exam question and answers and the latest update. And beside this, I will show you the 2 reasons we have the 7 days pass with minimal time. It means you just need to prepare the SPOTO 7 days. Then you can go to take your exam online. Then you will pass your exam because we have the 100% accelerated. And the third reason is we have 24/7 professional support. It means during the 24/7 which questions you have and which doubt you have, you all can contact us, view the message, and still have your email. We will reply you at once and try to help you save your question as soon as possible. We can see professional tutor one-to-one service and instant message anytime, anywhere. It's so great. You don't worry about if I have question, nobody can help you to answer, and nobody can help me to figure out. Yes, so 24/7 professional support is better and is good. So why choose SPOTO? And we can see is PMP dumps have been updated to generated pass, everyday pass. There is a pass report we can check in 24th May, and we can see 23rd 23rd May. Yes, usually every day have some students passed here is exam in SPOTO. So it's so unbelievable and it's so amazing just to trying to think about it. You just need to study in 7 days in SPOTO, then you can take your exam, then your PMP certifications in your hand. Then you can go to find a new job with a high salary. Then when you get your high salary, you will change your life and you will be a better life. It's so great. Just go for it if you have this goal and have this plan. So get certified with SPOTO, PMP Sure short dumps. We can see SPOTO and others are different because our dumps is just including 100 plus same as exam. But if you choose others, institute maybe you will need to studying 400 plus and not 100% real exam questions. But in SPOTO we have the confidence to see all questions are all from real exam. So you just need to studying well in SPOTO, then we can make sure you can pass your exam. You can see we have the confidence to see we have the 100% pass generated and 100 money back generated. Accurate answers tested by past candidate and up-to-date dump and feedbacks and professional tutor support anytime and anywhere and access within 30 minutes after purchase. It means once we receive your payment, our enemy will contact you during the 30 minutes. Then you will get your materials to reading and to start your study. Yes, and fewer questions and high quality deserves good price because time is money. So don't wait. If you really want to get your PMP certification as soon as possible, just choose SPOTO in today because today in today's live sale you will get the surprise price and you will get the lowest price for your guys. So if you have friends or relatives who need it, maybe you can share the broadcast to them, and when they pass their PMP certification, I think they will thanks for today's tools. Yes. Okay, so today I will show you the PMP practice test live sale price, we can see PMP dump prep package is just 200 questions and answers in SPOTO, and today's price is amazing. It's just make me amazing. You just need to use $420, but in New Year maybe you need to spend $700 to buy the PMP Dump Pro package. And we still have the basic package, but the basic package I think is not better for you guys to choose because it have 800 question and answers. So I think it need to spend more time to study. But we still have the huge surprise live sale price for you guys today. It needs to use $300, but in New Year you need to spend $415 price in here. So are not if you have enough time to study, maybe you can choose the basic package. But if you want to get your PMP certification as soon as possible and within 7 days, I think you need to choose Pro package. Just including 100, 200, 200 question, 200 plus question and answers. And please pay attention in today's live sale. If you buy one dump, you can get one ebook for free. It's so great. So PMP practice service live sale price in today, and as I said, what is practice service? Practice service is you just need to sit in front of your PC and our tutor will help you take your exam and help you pass your exam. So in today's live sale, the practice service live sale is just need the Wow, it's just need $520 in today's live sale, but if you buy it in New Year, you may need to spend 800, so you can save $118 in today's live sale. It's so great, so don't wait and don't miss today's big trends and big opportunities, big surprise price for you guys, because practice service is you don't need to make any preparation because our tutor will help you save all questions and you just need to sit in front of your PC. So we have the confidence to make 100% pass guaranteed and no recurring study and first pass in one first try and still provided the one-to-one service support. It's so great for you guys if you have enough time and you don't have the confidence to pass the exam by yourself. Yes, so we still have other top project management certs. We can see so PGMP is only 189 question and answers, and you will have time day essence and still have the 24/7 service support. And in today's live sale, PGMP only needs $420 in today's live sale. And how about the ITIL V4? We can see it's only 300 questions and answers in SPOTO, and in today's live sale you may spend 100 wow, oh my god $100. You just need to spend $100, then you can get your ITIL V4 foundation certification. Don't wait if you really want to get your IT certification at once. Just choose SPOTO and study well in SPOTO. You can get it. Okay, so other top project management certs, we can see ACP Dump and Prince 2 Foundation. We can see in New Year you may need to spend 500, but in today's live sale you just need to spend 315 in today's live sale. And how about the Prince 2? We can see in New Year maybe you will need to spend 700 price, but in today you just need to use wow, I can't believe it's just to use the $415 in today's live sale. All the dump you study in SPOTO, we provided 100% pass guaranteed. It's so great. It's real so great. You just need to worry about how can I study well and the material is good or not, because SPOTO will help you save these questions. Okay, so how to order How to order is simple. You just need to 3 steps in here. The step 1, register, and the step 2, order, and the step 3, pay. Let me show you how to order. Please follow me. We can see if you want to the PMP certification, we can see PMP certification. You just open the link. Please send the link. Enemy send the link on the comment Zoom. Then open the link. You choose buy now. Buy now. Then log in. Log in. You can put on your email and password to log in. Then just to put. Then you will come to the step 3, pay. You will choose the pay or all-in pay to payment the service fields on SPOTO. Then once we receive your payment, we'll contact you within 30 minutes and send you the materials in 30 minutes. It's so easy, so if you want, don't wait and check the comment zone in SPOTO. Comment zone, please check the chat box. Then choose buy now. Okay, so let's come to the third part. We can see why get certified in project management and cloud cybersecurity. We have the reason. We can see cloud and container technology skills are most in demand by hiring managers. We can check the 2021 hottest skills set. We can see cloud and container technologies is occupied 14.6% during the hottest scale stage. And we can see this picture, we can see the technologies of highest importance to open source hiring managers in 2021, and the cloud and container technologies still have occupied the 41% in here. I think is a large number in here. Yes, so if you want to get the hottest scale sets, just maybe you can choose the cloud and container technologies. Okay, so we can see cloud professionals are in high demand. Check this dialogue. We can see from 2019 to 2024, the demand of cloud professional is increasing year by year. So it means once you get your certification, then you will have more chance to get the new job in here. And also, we have seen the cloud professional are in highly paid. We can see the average cloud computing career salaries is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, oh my god, so high in here. So high in here. So don't wait if you want to get your high salary. And we can see cloud certification could help you land a job, which means you just get your certification, cloud certification, then you have the, oh my god, we can see in the 2021 you have the 18.8% to get the and raised hiring of certified professionals, and it increasing 18.7% during the 3 years. It's so high demand and it's so high numbers. It can't wait. And AWS certifications, let's check it one by one. The first is Associate SAA-C02. We can see Associate validates the ability to design and implement distributed systems on AWS. So which means, and the sector and the next is associated SOA-C02. We can see is AWS certified as a SOAP's administrator associated. It demonstrates experience deploying and managing and operating workloads on AWS. And the next one is DVO2CO1, and we can see it validates the ability to write and deploying cloud-based applications. So all of this in today's live sale, you can get the surprise and the lowest price for you guys in today. And all of this, we have the confidence to make sure 100% pass generated dumps and from and in SAA to C2R dumps only 139 questions and answers in SPOTO now, and you will get the 7 days flexible access to study at any way, anytime, and you still have the 24/7 service support. So in today's live sale, you can enjoy the lowest price in here, just spend $115 in today's live sale. And please check and this past report. We can see this guy just passed his SAA-C02 certifications in 7th May and this year and this month. So can't wait. If you buy now, maybe next 7 days, I will show you past report in here. So can't wait. It's so wonderful. There is so wonderful. Just get your certification, then you can get your high salary, then you can change your life. It's so great. And the why choose SPOTO? Okay, the 3 reasons in here: 100% Pascal rated, and you will have 7 days plus 7 days minimum time to study and to make preparation, and 24/7 professional support is so good. So 3 steps to get certified. So step 1 is payment, and step 2 is practice, and step 3 is done. Passed. Your certification is in your hand. It's so great. Once we receive your payment, we will contact you and send you materials during the 30 minutes. So it's quick. Okay, so how to order? The step 1 is register, and step 2 is order, and step 3 is pay. When you comes to the pay period, you may need to choose PayPal or All-in-Pay to finish your payment. Once we received it, we'll send you the good materials in the first time. Okay, so how about the AWS professionals? The first is SAP-C01. We can see SAP-C01 is professional validates the ability to design, deploy, and elevated applications on AWS within device and complex requirements. And the second is DOP2C01, and we still have the lowest price for you guys in today's live sale. And the DOP2C01 or SAP2C01 dumps today in SPOTO only have 300 questions in SPOTO, and you will still have the 7-day flexible access, and you can study anytime, anywhere, and you still have the 24/7 service support. Means our tutor will help you save your doubt and anytime, anywhere, just when you contact us. And we still, the most important is we have the 100 Pascal rated. So in today, this 2 dumps price is just need enjoy the $220 in today's live sale, but in New Year maybe you will need to spend $400 to pay it. And how about the CIF-C01 exam service? We can see today's you just need to spend $215 in today's live sale price, but in New Year you may need to spend $400. So today you can save $115 in today's live sale. So don't miss today's live sales price for your guys. Just choose today and choose SPOTO because SPOTO is deserve you choose. Yes, hurry up. Okay, so how about the Microsoft certified? We can see Microsoft certified Azure and Microsoft 365 certified. We can see in Azure practice test price in today from AZ500 in SPOTO just have 200 questions and answers in SPOTO, and you still have 7-day flexible access and have 24/7 service support, and all have 100% Pascal rated. Yes, so for AZ500, today's surprise price for you guys is just enjoying. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, it's just $120 in today's live sale just for today. So if you really want to get your Microsoft certification and Azure certification, don't miss today's surprise for you guys. You just need to spend $120, and the price for AZ1 SPOTO and AZ900, you can enjoy the price in $100. Wow, $100. You can save $115 as usual. So I think it's a big discount for you guys, and maybe SPOTO today is crazy for SPOTO. So don't miss today's opportunity and don't miss today's choice. If you have your friends have of or relatives who need the certification, just to share today's and on our comment zone the payment link for your friends, just to share them and tell them today SPOTO have crazy is crazy because we have so crazy discount in today's in here. Wow, oh my god. So Microsoft we can see there are MS 900, MS 500, and MS 700, MS 100, MS 101, MD 100, MD 101. In New Year, maybe you will need to spend $115, but today in SPOTO and in today's live sale, you can enjoy the price at 100 live sale price. You can save $115. So please don't wait. And why don't you choose SPOTO? Because SPOTO can provide the 100% pass guaranteed, and we have the minimal nice just to use to study 7 days in SPOTO. Then you can pass your exam, and beside this, we provided 24/7 professional support for your guides. It's so great and so wonderful, dear. It's so wonderful. You can study your materials at any time, anywhere during the 7 days. Yes, so let's come to the next part, how to get IT certified. Okay, so we can see cybersecurity professional are in high demand, right? We can see the national level is so high into this year. US has almost so many jobs opening in cybersecurity. So which means you just get the cybersecurity professional certification, then you may become the member of this job openings. So let's check the the top cybersecurity job titles and their average salaries according to CyberSeek. The first is cybersecurity analyst, and the second is cybersecurity consultant. And we can see they all have the high salary, isn't it? High salary is so high salary. So cybersecurity certification could help you land a new job. It means you get your certification, then you will get the 59% to get the positions that requires at least one certification. It's so great, and we can see certifications holders salary is higher than without certification holders, right? We can see, you can check this dialogue. It's so minimal and so great for you guys, and so great. We can see it CISSP and the GIAC, CISA, CISM, and they're all high salary. Yes, all high salary. Just trying to think about it. If I can get a high salary, what kind of my life will be like? It's so imaginable. It's so great. Okay, so tap cyber security certification. We can check the first is number one is CISA, and the second is CISM, and the third is Security Plus, and then CEH. So let's check it one by one. Captures TIA Security is a global certification that validates the baseline skills necessary to pay for core security functions and pursue an IT security career. And we can see just when you get your Capture TIA Security Plus certification, then you can get the job such as system administrator and help desk manager and security engineer, and their whole salary, high salary in these jobs is so great and is so make me admirable. Yes, make me admirable. And in today's live sale, you can enjoy the Security Plus live sale price. You can enjoy what price? Let me show together. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! You just need to spend $117, but in New York, maybe you will need to spend maybe you will need to spend $300 to pay it. So today, in today's live sale, you can enjoy the $113 in today's live sale. So don't wait and don't lose today's opportunity, because all of this we have the confidence to make sure you have the 100% Pascal rated, and you can take the Pascal. You can take the pass report. This guy just to pass his exam. Oh my God! We can see his score is so high, and he has already passed the exam in SPOTO. It's so good, and please trust SPOTO, because SPOTO deserve you to trust. Okay, so how about the chapter A plus? Please check the chapter TIAA plus need two exams. The one is Carol 1 and Carol 2. Please check the exam code 2202 and Carol 2 is 220 for 1002. We can check the price in today's live sale. It's just need to spend $115 in today's live sale price, but in New York maybe you need to spend $215 in SPOTO. So check the past report in here. Just a guy passed his exam in 24 May this month, and still have they passed their exam on the same day. It's so great. It's so great. You just need to start in 7 days. 7 days then can pass your exam. It's so admirable, and it's so amazing for you guys if you don't have enough time to make the preparation. And the certified ethnic hacker we call the CEH, we can see the CEH salary is so high. Maybe it's just 15 an hour. Oh my God, it's 15 an hour. Make me admirable. So CEH practice test live sale price in today's live sale. Maybe we can check the price right now. Are you ready? Okay, so go. In today's live sale, we just need to spend $317 in today's live sale price, and you still have 7-day flexible access and have 24/7 service support and 100% Pascal rated. And in Europe, maybe you need to spend 500 price, and we can check the past report in here. It's just a guy passed his exam on April 24th. Okay, so let's check the CISM, Certified Information Security Manager, and this one is CISM, and the CISM we can check if you get a CISM certification, maybe you can get the jobs like IT manager and information system security officer, and they are all high salary. Yes, okay, so comes to the next part is CISA. So if you get your CISA certification, what kind of job you will get? The first is IT attitude manager and cybersecurity attitude, and we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, you can get the 6 numbers. High salary, it's so high, and it's make me admirable. Okay, so next page is our CRISC. We can see CRISC certification. When you get it, you can get the jobs like trail chief, information security officer, and the information security manager. And we can see the high salary the jobs like in here. It's so high, and just trying to think about it. If you get the jobs like this one, and then you can get the high salary. So how was your life will be like? I think it's better. Better is better, 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 and better is better and better, because you can buy whatever you want and go anywhere you want to go. It's so great. And we can see the past report in here. We have the students, wow, we can check nearly past every day, and CRSA salary, and this is CRSM salary, and the CRSC salary. They are so high. They are all can get the 6 numbers salary in in this job. It's so good. It's so give you Karen a lift with CRSA or CRSM or CRSC certification. So try to think about it. In today's live sales, SPOTO will give you the big discount for you guys. We can take in Europe, maybe you need to spend $800 price in here, right? But in today, in Citara's live sale and in SPOTO, maybe in today's live sale, you can enjoy the price at fee $520. Actually, this word is a big meaning in Chinese because in Chinese 520 is means I love you. It's a romantic numbers. So if you really want to get your CISA or CISM or CRISC certification, don't don't hasten and don't miss today's opportunity just to take and buy now and check the chart books and open the link our admin sent you to open it and then order now buy now because all this we have the 100% pass generated and no recurrent study and fast parts in one first to try and we still have provided one-to-one service support means you don't have make any preparation with yourself. Our tutors will help you do everything. Yes, everything is so great, so can't wait to get your certification. Okay, so how about the PCMSE certification? We can check. The salary is 25 an hour. It's so high. Maybe it's so high. It's enough. Yes. So PCMSE exam dumps like sale price. In today, you can enjoy the price at $115. You can save the $115 in New Year. So don't hasten and don't miss today's big discount for your guys. Just choose now and just choose to order now. And this voter will waiting for you guys to get you and will help you guys to get your certifications as soon as possible because we have the same goal is to help you change your life and help you to get your new job such a high salary. Yes. Okay, so three steps to get certified. The step one is payment, and the step two is practice, and the step three is passed. So easy. Once we received your payment, in 30 minutes we will save you the good materials to you for you to study and then you just need to study 7 days or maybe if you have enough time you can study maybe 1 to 3 days is enough then you can pass your exam and get your certification as soon as possible. So how to order? Okay, so how to order, let me show you how to order. Please open the link when our admin sent to in the chat box. Then choose buy now. Then log in. Then try to put your email address and password. Then choose log in and log on. Then you will come to this page. Try to use your PayPal or others or in pair to finish your payment. Once we receive the payment, we'll send you the materials as soon as possible. It's easy and it's done. Okay, so come to this top question and answers part. We can see the question one is can I pass the IT exam with question and answers only? Yes. Don't worry because all question and answers and all materials is used the latest version and we will check it and we will have candidates to feedback every day. So if have any changes, we will inform you at once. And the second two is how can I know my product is the latest? Don't worry about this question because our tutor is so special and is so professional during this part. And we still have our candidates to feedback to our every day. So we will check the answers and check our product, make sure it's good enough, make sure it can help you pass your exam. And the third question is what is the dump format? We use the VCE and just need your PC and you still have your computer to study, enter any time and anyway, just to bring your PC to study, use your VCE. Okay, the last question is, can I buy now and start the service later? Of course, dear. Just just order now because in today's live sale the price is so big discount for you guys. If you miss today's live sale, maybe you need to pay the usual price. I think it's so expensive for you guys, right? So don't miss today's live sale. If you don't want to start practice now, you can tell us. Then we will help you suspend your service. Once you're ready to start, we'll help you activate it as soon as possible. Okay, that's all. It's all for today's live sale. So if you still have any doubts about today's topic, please join us today and get IT certifications tomorrow. And you can join this group and please take your mobile phone to join this group to get your answers. Okay, that's all. That's today's live sale. I will see you next time. Goodbye. See you next time. See you.